Hey, so I'm going to be working on a onesie today, and I'm just gonna walk you through quickly what I'm doing. Making a present for my cousin, and I'm doing a onesie. So first, let me set it up so you can see what I'm doing in Design Space. All right, be right back. All right, so I'm in Design Space, and I'm gonna type what I want to put on the onesie. So I'm gonna click the text box and type in the word. And then I'm gonna choose the font that I want, which I believe is called Palantino. Yeah. So it changed it to the font, and I'm gonna move this up. Then I'm gonna bring up another text box and type in the other word. And it automatically is gonna keep it at that same font unless I decide to change it. And do another text box again. That there, and then one more text box. Go back and move that here, and then I want to do a shape around the last word. So I'm going to bring up a square, unlock it so I can change the shape, put it over the word, and then I'm going to arrange it and move it to the back. And I think, yeah, that's good. So I'm going to highlight the word and the shape, and then I want to make sure it's centered in the box. And then now I'm going to move it up. And then I'm going to slice. So delete that because I don't want that, and I don't want that. Then I'm going to highlight all of it. And then I'm going to align left. And then I also, let me move that up just a little bit. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that over. I'm going to align left. And then I'm going to distribute vertically. And I want more space between the last word and your, so I'm gonna select that and move it down. So yeah, that looks good. So now I can just highlight the whole thing and attach, so it moves it as one. And then now I'm going to bring the template for a onesie into a project, and then you're going to choose the size onesie, and it's going to be for newborn, so it automatically defaults to 3 months, so that's good. Now I'm just gonna move it to where I want it on the template, and then I can make it the size that I want. Okay, and I think that looks good. And then in Design Space, once you're ready, think I'll make that just a tad bit smaller. Yeah. And once you're ready, you just click make it. And it brings you to this screen here. And then for iron on, you always want to click mirror. And then continue. And I'm going to let it cut out. And then I'll be back once I'm ready to iron it onto the onesie. Alright, so I'm back. So I have my onesie here. Gonna get that situated. I have my Easy Press 2 already set up with the recommending settings for iron on, and gonna take care of that. So I want to preheat the area for 5 seconds. Alright, and then I want to get a good center mark. So while it's still warm, I'm just gonna put that little crease right there and open it up, and I have my center mark right there. And then on my design, I want to get a center mark, so I'm going to fold that also in half, so I get a center mark on the top and the bottom, and then align that on the center. And then you want to make sure like you go down 1 to 2 inch fingers from the top. Alright, and then that looks straight. And then now I'm going to go ahead and do it for the recommended amount of time. Just using slight pressure. Alright, and then it also recommends that I flip it over and do it for another 15 seconds. So I'm going to flip it over and heat it for another 15. Alright, so I let it cool and I peeled it off, and this is the end result. I'm happy with it, and hope she will be too.